It's a beautiful Friday morning, but, um, I have a small problem. You see, I really need these two shirts for the weekend, but they are dirty. Look at this one. It has a big coffee stain on the sleeve. Also, I have this dress. I need to freshen it up. I will wear it to my best friend's birthday party next week. So today, I'm going to the dry cleaners. All right, let's go inside together and see if they can save my weekend.
Good morning. How can I help you today?
Hi, I'd like to drop off a few clothes for dry cleaning, please.
Of course. What do you have today?
I have these two t-shirts and this dress.
Sure thing. Are there any stains or special problems I should know about?
Yes, this t-shirt has a small coffee stain on the sleeve.
Let me take a look. Ah, yes. We can remove that. No problem.
The other t-shirt just needs general cleaning.
Great. Do you want light starch or no starch for the shirts?
No starch, please. I like them soft.
Got it. And the dress? Any special instructions?
Yes, please be careful with the buttons. They're a bit delicate.
Absolutely. We'll handle it gently. Would you like regular cleaning or express service?
What's the difference?
Regular service takes 3 days. Express service is ready tomorrow, but it costs a little extra.
Okay, regular service is fine. I don't need them urgently. When will everything be ready for pickup?
You can pick everything up on Monday after 3 p.m.
Perfect. How much will it be?
It's $18 for the shirts and $12 for the dress, so $30 in total.
Okay, can I pay now or when I pick it up?
You can pay now or later, whatever you prefer.
I'll pay now, please.
Sure, you can tap your card right here.
Great. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Here's your receipt. See you on Monday.
Thanks. Have a great day.